Now, if your cooker tab is flashing here, well, what do you need to do? Well, typically it means that there might be some internal problems on it. So typically the best and easiest way to fix this one is by doing a simple reset. Now, how do you reset this? Now, first things first is you want to go ahead and just turn off the power on your cooker. Now, once you do turn off or unplug, or once you've unplugged your cooker, it's now safe to do a reset. Now, what you need to do next is you want to go and go to the back here, and you want to go ahead and just unplug this section here. Now, that section, you want to just unplug it for about 10 seconds. So, count the full duration. So, 10 seconds. Now, once 10 seconds is up, you can go and just plug it back in. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and just plug or return or add power, or you can plug your cooker back in, and from then on, just allow it to boot up and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.